So this morning I woke up to a pleasant surprise from the Walker Health Law Moot. And I have this lovely package right here with me, which I'll show you momentarily, but it seems to have a lot of goodies and from the sponsors of the event, and it's so exciting. So I'm gonna just put you down here. You can see this lovely box that's here. And let's get into it. Lots of protection, and wow, oh my god. Let's start off with this lovely package, and right off the bat I see Mad in here, I see some Red Bull, I see LexisNexis. There's some exciting stuff over here. Let's dig in. Wow. This is very well packaged. Aha. Get at it. This is awesome. Oh wow, we get an umbrella. This is so cool and it matches the colors of the competition. So that's amazing. And this is from Thompson Roger Lawyers. So thank you so much for this. It's gonna come in handy, especially because it's been raining in recent. Got a lovely water bottle, and we see certified service from Chevrolet, Cadillac, GMC. Beautiful bottle that definitely use, because staying hydrated is important. Got a lovely mask, which is super important for the pandemic. Been going through a lot of these. This is helpful. Privacy blocker, totally need this. Keep bad guys out of your camera. And lots of other little goodies in here. We've had some headphones. Got a cleaner. Lots of pens and goodies for our phones as well. Some more headphones. And then it looks like there's this little package in here, which is intriguing. So I'm gonna open that and see what's inside. Oh, Red Bull. This is crazy. I mean, it's awesome how they pulled this off. And so cool that Red Bull sponsored this event. So definitely going to be using this because I have an exam around the corner. And I miss getting those Red Bulls on campus. So lots of little goodies in the rest of this bag. I'm going to save this one for last because incredibly awesome. This looks like it's a little special package. Really excited to show this off. Angle on this. Okay. Oh, this is so sweet. We have a letter thanking us from all of the sponsors, as well as the founder of the Walker Health Foundation, Matt Walker. So that's incredible, and thank you to all the sponsors for making this possible. Certificate of achievement. Oh no, just got stuck to. I'll fix this later, but a certificate of achievement for participating in the event. But this one's huge. Best Factum Appellant. Huge thank you to my partner and I, who worked really hard on this. So really exciting. And a little something in here. Whoops. There's a check in here. A check for $300. Oh my god. What? This is crazy. Wow. Didn't expect this. Oh my. Wow. And last but not least, I've been really excited about this one. And I'll be sure to get a picture with this because this is just amazing. Like, wow. It's a lovely sweater from my lovely sweater on now. It's super comfortable and I'm definitely going to be wearing this for a while. So this is what it looks like. Really, really nice. Got the Walker Health Lab Moot. And then we've got some of the sponsors. So we have BLG over here that has sponsored the sweaters. So super, super cool. Just wanted to send a huge thank you to everyone that made this possible. Thank you to all the sponsors. Thank you to the founder, Matt Walker, for organizing such a different mood for students who are interested in health law. And this was definitely a highlight for my final year as a law student here at the Faculty of Law at the University of Ottawa. And I'm hoping that this event can happen every single year. This competition should happen every year to give the opportunity to students to partake in the Walker Health Law Moot, as it is so important to gain experience in litigation, in gaining experience, just getting involved with your school, but also just getting involved in incredible initiatives such as this one. So thank you to all of the sponsors. Thank you to all of the organizers for making this possible. We had a blast. Thank you.